2/3 of the weather girls here. We're not going to take up a whole lot of time because there are a lot of people here waiting to say some words to you. But I just wanted to say I've learned a lot from you these past 2 years. It's been great getting to know you and work with you, and I've learned lots of lessons that I'm going to be able to carry with me for the rest of my life. You've made such a huge impact. I am so grateful for you giving me this opportunity. It's changed my life in so many ways. I get to do amazing things for my community that I love so much, and I'm just forever grateful to you for everything that you have done for me.
And I know you already know how much you mean to me, and I just wanted to say thank you for every opportunity you've ever given me, and I wish you nothing but the best going forward.
So happy retirement. We're gonna let everybody else say their things now, so we'll see you soon.
Hey, Kathy.
Hey, Kathy.
Hi, Kathy.
Congratulations on your retirement, Kathy.
Titus, Ron, and I are so excited about your retirement. We're looking forward to spending more time with you this summer, with you and Sally.
I'm Shelly. And I'm Tree. And we're the Blueberry Chicks. Happy retirement, Kathy.
The world is your oyster.
Go for it.
Happy retirement, Kathy. Well deserved. I could not have asked for a better ambassador and director for South Haven. You've done a fantastic job. You've certainly left an imprint, and you made me feel so welcome, so included from day one. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much, and I hope you truly enjoy retirement.
Congratulations, Miss Kathy. I'm so excited for you. What a gift you have given our community. I'm so grateful. I was born here, raised here, graduated from here, went to school here, worked here, and I'm just happy to know you. Were one of the first people that I came to meet when I first took this YDC gig, and I'm very grateful for being able to just allow you to do your thing and help us shine. So thank you so much, and congratulations, and best wishes.
Kathy, you are so freaking awesome. Thank you for everything that you've done for us in this town. Your service is incredible. But honestly, you just inspire me to be a better person and woman, and I just strive to be like you. So thanks for being an inspiration and being a true leader in our community. You really are going to be missed, but we love you and thank you for paving the way for the rest of us.
Happy retirement, Kathy. Even I will miss you tons.
Hey, Kathy. Happy retirement. We wish you the best. Thank you for all that you've done for our community.
Here's to your retirement, Kathy. It's been a joy seeing you in meetings, and I wish you the best of luck.
It's been nice getting to know you and work with you over this last year or so. Hope you have a happy retirement. Spend a lot of time in the warmth, and yeah, enjoy your retirement. Bye.
My name's Tom. You might remember me from your hiring committee a few years ago. Just really glad you stuck around as long as you did at the chamber, and I wanted to say thank you for everything you've done for South Haven and for representing the businesses in our community so well for so many years.
Congrats, you are an amazing person that have done amazing things for this community, and I'm sure you will continue to do so, just like all the other great people that retire in South Haven.
Hi, Kathy. I just wanted to congratulate you on your retirement and wish you all the best. You should be very, very proud of all you have accomplished for the chamber and for the community at large. You've done so much, and you're so respected and so valued in the community. On a personal level, I appreciate so much the fact that we changed the tone between the chamber and the Visitors Bureau in the city, and all the things we had accomplished and all the things we got done together. Patty and I can't wait to do some camping trips with you and Sally and have some great times. So we look forward to that. Thank you again. We love you. We wish you all the best.
Hello, my dear friend Kathy. Congratulations on your well-earned retirement. You know, it's hard to put into words how much you've meant to me, the South Haven community, and to the local business community. Your leadership at the Chamber these past 13 years has been nothing short of remarkable, guiding it through continued growth and strengthening the Chamber's role. It's become a vital part of our entire area. Your impact will be felt for years to come. And while you'll certainly be missed, I know you've left the Chamber in great hands with Brandy and Olivia. And more than anything, Kathy, I'm grateful that we have the chance to work together for Midwest family and develop a lifelong friendship. I cherish all the wonderful memories we've shared at events going down Coast Guard Hill, and all the creative cardboard sleds you built for me for Icebreaker, all the awesome business after hours events, the summit events, and of course our radio segment, 3 Good Things on the Cozy Morning Show. On behalf of me, Midwest family, I wish you peace and joy and relaxation in this next chapter of your life. I appreciate you, and I will miss you. Sail on, Captain Wagaman.
Best wishes for a great next chapter. I look forward to having some adventures with you. Here's to you, sister.
Hey, Kathy, I just wanted to tell you happy retirement. Yay, you did it. And from Gary and I, we wish you the best in all your next endeavors and adventures that you're going to be going on. And I want to just thank you for, making South Haven what it is. You have put a lot of time and effort and thought into these ingenious and inventive and creative ways that you can get more of a community built in the area and help people just enjoy their visit here. So thank you so much from both Gary and I.
Happy retirement, Kathy. You deserve it so much. And I don't know how you're going to deal with it the first month because you're always so busy. You're going to have to turn the off switch on. So anyway, you did such an awesome job. And nobody knows how hard you worked behind the scenes. I guess not. There are some people. But there were so many times I said, just don't work quite so hard. You need to lay off a little bit. Take some time. Relax. Well, you never did.
Hi, Kathy. We are so going to miss you at the chamber, but super excited for you to have some new adventures, and congratulations on your retirement. I just want one beautiful picture of Lake Michigan for you.
Hey, we've got our umbrella. We have sunshine. We're not at the beach. It's cold and windy today, so we're just sitting here being protected. Happy retirement.
Yeah, congratulations.
You're done. So, congratulations, and we'll see you in the camping world.
Hey, Kathy, I just want to say congratulations on your retirement. I think it's just going to be such an exciting time. There's going to be so many cool things happen. Okay, so yeah, we had to look at the fact that we're getting old and all the fun issues that go with that, and the fun issues with dealing with phones and so many other things. But I really believe, can you hear the turkey back there? That's funny. I really believe it's going to be an all-new adventure.
Kathy, this is a banner year for you. I'm so happy for your retirement. Blessings on you for your adventures that you'll be taking part in the near future. I love you and I'm proud of you. So enjoy yourself. Love, Mom.
Happy retirement, Kathy.
Say happy retirement.
Happy retirement, Kathy.
Happy retirement, Kathy.
I wish you the best of luck. Happy retirement.
Here's to you, sister.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement.
Thank you for everything you've done, and I hope you have a wonderful and happy retirement.
Hey, Mom.
Congratulations, Kathy.
We're very proud of you. There's no one else I can think of that deserves to be able to retire more than you. You've put in so many hard years of work and effort and everything you do. It's a trait that I hope I inherited from you. Obviously, besides boating and being on the water, of course.
Now you'll have plenty of time to come visit us here.
We love you very much, and we're very, very proud of you. Can't wait to see you.